Hi everybody and welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix GTA 5 Infinite loading screen Windows 11. So I am currently using Windows 11 and sometimes this could be an issue, but before we begin can consider donating to our channel using the link in the description and it will be highly appreciated. So let's just begin. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you need to press shift control and escape to enable or turn on your task manager, and this is the shortcut key for your task manager, as you can see. Then you're going to be heading over to your performance tab, as you can see, and then we have this resource monitor. In the resource monitor, go to network tab and then right click on gdav.exe and select suspend process. In the pop-up window, click up button, suspense process button, and once you do that, you're going to be waiting for a couple of time, and like for example 15 seconds. Then you're going to be resuming the process and then restart your game or PC. Finally, make sure to try for these software related issues, like for example updating your game, updating your Windows, and verifying your game's integrity and stuff like that. Apparently once you do all these stuff, you're going to be simply getting your game up and running. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and also you can subscribe and donate using the link in the description. See you guys around in the next video.